don't stop. This shit hot, ain't no thought. You are.
Okay, so we are gonna do, I'll insert pictures of what we're getting like our idea from.
Alright.
But this is CiCi.
Hi.
So we're doing a collab video. We're gonna do like a DIY t-shirt with the like safety pins, and then I'm gonna try to do some like these glasses I've seen on Pinterest, I think. And yeah, so we're gonna get to the video. So let's get into the video.
Okay.
So what are you thinking of doing? I don't
know. So there was one day where I was like, because I bought these, I'm like, during quarantine, I was like, yeah, I need to start doing this. And then I did it, and I was like, low-key a little high. So like when I did it, I was like, oh yeah, this will be good. Girl, then my store was like, no. I be acting like I'm Picasso and stuff. Yeah, that's what I should do. I'm always
lay
like,
it out, the design out, and then like
go in on it.
Yeah, then cut it.
True.
It's like I was thinking of doing an X.
Yeah, the X's.
Like an X.
Are you gonna cut it and then put it on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you already have like some cuts, so that's cute.
Yes, I'm gonna do that. I low-key might. I don't know yet. Maybe like here too. I could probably cut this a little bit so it's like a little wider or something. I don't know.
Yeah. We'll see how this turns out.
Right.
I just want to lay this out before I cut anything off.
Like literally, there was like everything was all taken away. I was like, damn, everybody getting crafty, huh?
No, for real. We watch. You'll be on TikTok. They be having like some cool videos on there. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna try that.
Right. I'm like, damn, I wish I knew how to draw, because then I would want to paint, but.
Well, I got paint too.
Girl, no, I feel like I need a stencil.
Right, we got those crystals. You can even put those on there. I really don't know what to do. Like, I seen this one girl, they did.
I love the way she did that. Hold on, let's. Alexander Wang, how he did that one. It was like a bodysuit, but the girl was literally like made out of this, but they made it like they used so many different safety pins. Girl, like he low-key snapped. Look, there's like this one, like gold straight.
Or what if I did the underboob thing?
Oh, like, yeah, put it underneath, right?
To make it this.
Yeah, you could do that. That'd be cute.
Let's see how that works.
I feel like, too, you're going to have to, like, try it on and make sure it's sitting right there, too.
Exactly. Or I could get a bra. See where my boobs.
Oh, yeah, you could do that, too.
What about crisscross it?
Yeah, I like crisscross.
Let's see how that looks. You were in staple stuff. I mean,
girl, I did 5. I'm just like, because I was practicing on these on like one of my dress, and I low-key did like it was like a pink dress, but I think I'm gonna cut it up because it was like literally a pink dress like this, but it looked very like, what's her name? Audrey Hepburn. Like, it was just like one of those.
Does it fit it?
No, it's so like, girl, nothing fits me tight. Like, it was like kind of loose, so I kind of grabbed it from the side and I put like pins, but then I did like the bra stuff too, like like this, and then I added little like
you know what I seen somebody do? Like, they use safety pins, but they used it as so they can add the string to make it like,
to like grab it together.
Yeah, that was
I know, I tried it and like it looks cute, but like
cute.
my brother's like, I will cut it. He's like, just make it more like thigh-ish.
Right.
But in my head I'm like, I think it looks nice, but either way, it was just like there. I'm like, I need to take all those pins out, because I was like then trying to make it look like not birds, but like, you know, like feathers out. And it just looks like feathered out, and then it's like thick. Like, it's just, I'm all over the place. Like, I need to stick with one theme and just, that's it.
Tell you a secret, I hate sewing. I like the outcome of everything, but I hate sewing so much.
Is it because like it gets like stuck on the
Yes!
stuff? Yeah, okay.
It be getting stuck, and then sometimes and then you gotta put it at the right number. It's just it's annoying, actually.
I know, I tried it the first time. I was like,
damn, I just really wish somebody could just, I give them the design and then they just sew it up for me.
Right. I feel that. Yeah, because I tried doing it, and then I was like, I'm gonna get into it. The first day I was like, putting on Snapchat, like, yeah, I'm gonna start sewing, girl. That same week I was like, it's just been sitting there getting all dusty.
Yeah, it's too hard. I can't.
Yeah. And I got the heavy duty one too, but now I want to get the one that like.
I want the one that has a serger in it. That's easy because they like cuts it, so it has like a bunch of different thread things on it, and like it's how this looks. Wait, let me see.
Like how it makes like all like it's just really seams,
thick,
right? And
yeah.
then it cuts out the stuff for you.
Yeah,
Yes.
I need one of those.
Me too.
Like I would. Okay, I might like sewing if I had one of those because
That's what I said. I told my boyfriend, I was
that
like,
makes
I
it
think I need that
easier.
one.
Yeah, because I have this sewing machine since 19. Like
I feel like practice makes perfect. But like even everyone that sews, they always say that it gets stuck or like
yeah, it's so annoying.
you know.
Cause I gotta cut it. I don't want my titties to pop out. Okay, let's cut it. I got some chalk. Do you like stack pants with like denim, or with tennis shoes or with heels?
Well, I like more sneakers right now because I just feel like, I don't know, well, I guess if I would go to the club or something like that, I would wear heels.
Mm-hmm.
But like if I'm just gonna go to the grocery store or like I'd rather just wear sneakers, which is so weird because remember in high school we wore heels all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's like,
I remember everybody was wearing heels. I'm like, yeah, no, I can't do that.
Girl, no, I remember
I'm flat foot. I can't.
people wear like them baby ass heels. I'm like, girl, you don't wear heels. Don't even. Now my ass is like if I like go out or something, I'm like, oh, where's like the baby cute heels? Like I'm not trying to break my back.
No, for real, because heels, I'd wear them for a picture, like.
Right, same.
Bring some extra shoes, because
Yeah, now it's like even when I go out to the club, I don't know, I just gotta drink a little bit so I don't feel my feet because I'm like, damn, this shit hurts. Like back then it wouldn't hurt, but I think because it's been so long that I haven't really worn heels.
Cut this off.
Mm-hmm.
Should I just do the
I can just cut it like this and then just add the stuff to it.
Okay, without cutting it.
But maybe
off.
you should probably do it lower because remember it's gonna stretch open. So it's like
Right.
So you could even just go even like lower, so then, well, not that low, but like right there maybe.
Yeah, I want my lip out.
Right. You have to wear pasties. Because that's what girls do now these days.
Mm-hmm.
It's the look.
So yeah, I'll just do the slit.
Mm-hmm.
Should I just do slits here?
Yeah, just do like just normal, and then when you put the stuff, because it's gonna
Alright. I'm nervous. Okay, let's do this.
Yes, sir. Hey, man. Yes, sir. Loyalty over love. Loyalty and some drugs. She gon' fuck with me, cause I'm her blood. She gon' fuck with me because I'm mug. She gon' fuck with me cause I'm real as fuck.
Got some bleach. See how this works.
You doing this?
No.
They start coming up, then they start like, like, and that's just how it is. Technically, even all like celebrities and stuff like that, like they went through the same
their
thing
hometown.
too.
Yep, they was.
It's always their hometown now, not doing shit for them until they start getting popular. Like they went to my school, like. But then it's like you don't want to be like, no, you were a hating ass. Like no, you're gonna be like, thank you. But deep down, like yeah, you're hating ass.
Wow. I hope it bleaches more. It's gonna bleach more.
I love you too, baby. I love you too, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Reason that anxiety.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Yes, sir. Loyalty over love. Loyalty and some drugs. She gon' fuck with me, cause I'm her blood. She gon' fuck with me because I'm mug. She gon' fuck with me cause I'm real as fuck. Young nigga and I got my pistol tucked. Young nigga, I would die by my respect. Young nigga, if you talking, you can wear. Young nigga, if you talking, I'm at your head. Yeah. texting. She gon' fuck a young nigga, I got my packs in. We run through the front door, leave out the back end. Yo, yo, yo. I've been stressing so much, I don't know where to go. Only for my game, nigga, I can't trust a soul. Only one main, nigga, I cannot trust no more. Yeah, breathe, chop on squeeze. FreeArtshow, but I'm taxing. FreeArtshow, but I'm taxing. FreeArtshow, but I'm taxing. She don't fuck me now, I got my back in. Got my racks in. Yeah. Feel like I'm still ballin'. I just wanna know why my ex still calling. That because I'm awesome. That because I'm flawless. I don't treat like diamonds. I reflect like diamonds. These niggas know I'm like foreal. I be shining. Anytime I come through, shit is perfect timing. Yeah, high nigga on the floor, I change the climbing. Yeah. Niggas talking, shut the fuck up. Yeah. Pussy boys, motherfucker. Yo. Yeah, yo.
Hello, motor. Hello, motor.
I love you too, baby. I love you too, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Yes, sir. Loyalty over love. Loyalty and some drugs. She gon' fuck with me, cause I'm her blood. She gon' fuck with me because I'm mug. She gon' fuck with me cause I'm real as fuck. Young nigga and I got my pistol tucked. Young nigga, I would die by my respect. Young nigga, if you talking, you get wet. Young nigga, if you talking, I'm at your head. Yeah, FreeArtshow, but I'm texting. She gon' fuck a young nigga, I got my packs in. We run through the front door, leave out the back end. Yo. I've been stressing so much, I don't know where to go. Only for my game, nigga, I can't trust a soul. Only one main, nigga, I cannot trust no more. Yeah, breathe, chop on squeeze. FreeArtshow, but I'm taxing. FreeArtshow, but I'm taxing. FreeArtshow, but I'm taxing. She don't fuck me now, I got my back in. Got my racks in. Yeah. Feel like I'm still ballin'. I just wanna know why my ex still calling. That because I'm awesome.